Welcome to 10 Minutes of Pure Inspiration. We're diving into the beautiful phenomenon of pay it forward moments. The pay it forward concept is simple. Instead of repaying a good deed, you pass it on to a new person. It's a chain reaction of kindness. One of the most common places to witness this goodwill is in the morning rush at a coffee shop. Let's see some moments of kindness in coffee shops. Picture this. A customer pays for their own order and decides to cover the bill for the complete stranger behind them. It's a spontaneous gift that brightens someone's whole day. The reaction from the barista who gets to deliver the good news is often priceless. They become the messenger of kindness, spreading the joy to the next customer. Moving out to the open road, true kindness shines when people stop to help a stranger. Here, a driver assists someone struggling with a flat tire, embodying the spirit of communal help. Small actions can make a huge financial difference, especially when unexpected. Think about paying for a senior's groceries or covering a struggling parent's bill. These are truly essential pay it forward moments. Pay it forward isn't always one-on-one. Sometimes it's about lifting up an entire community through collective effort. Volunteering your time is one of the most powerful ways to pay it forward. Whether it's serving meals at a soup kitchen or organizing supplies at a food bank, your time is invaluable. An organized group takes to the streets, leaving anonymous, kind notes in public places. Imagine finding a little message of hope when you least expect it. Passing on knowledge is a powerful gift. Mentorship and skill sharing, such as offering free tutoring or career advice, helps others grow and succeed long after the help is given. Kindness doesn't need to be grand. Everyday courtesy, like holding a door for someone burdened with packages, shows respect and care in the simplest way. Watch as the ripple effect of kindness spreads. These quick cuts highlight diverse acts, proving that one good deed truly leads to another, creating a beautiful chain reaction. We hope these moments have inspired you. You have the power to start your own chain of kindness today. Go out there, pay it forward, and see the good you can create.